Breaking news now. Islamic State terrorist organization attacked a Mary church in the Kurdish largest city in Syria. I am Botin Kurdistani independent journalist. A car bomb blew up outside the Mary church in the city of Qamishli in northeast Syria. "12 people badly wounded, but we cannot confirm the number of dead at this moment of time." Local journalists told us Islamic State terrorist organization as well as Turkey-backed jihadist terrorist groups are behind this attack. The bomb exploded just as the people were leaving a church service around 5:45 p.m. local time yesterday. The bomb went off at the Mary Church in the majority Christian district of Al-Wasta in Qamishli. Islamic State terrorist groups continue to claim deadly attacks in Syria, despite the loss of its last stronghold of Baghouz in March. Qamishli, in a Kurdish name Qamishlo, is the capital of self-declared autonomous region of North and East Syria. Most of the city is under control of US-backed Kurdish-led Syrian Democratic Forces known as the SDF, which is mixed with the Kurdish and Arab forces, as a part of the city under control of the Syrian government as well. According to the defense post, this attack is the 11th attack in 11 days in Hasaki province, and it's the 4th in a month in Qamishlo. Qamishli is the de facto capital of northeast Syria, which has for some years been secure from Islamic State terrorist attack, but now Turkish Erdogan and ISIS thinking that the Kurdish people are their common enemy and they want them to destroy and remove from earth. Thank you for watching. Botin Kurdistani independent journalist.